Welcome to The Sensible Thing. Today we'll be looking at a really important topic, how to answer the 8-mark literary analysis question in the OCR GCSE Latin literature paper. In these type of questions, the setup is simple. You get given an extract from the text as well as 2 bullet points which, it suggests, you may wish to consider. This is an offer you can't refuse. We would recommend making your points explicitly related to these, since the entire mark scheme is structured around these same bullet points. May wish to consider indeed. They aren't asking, they're telling you. Let's look at a sample question. It asks, how does Tacitus make the arrival of Agrippina a dramatic scene? As always, the key word is dramatic. When answering this question, you need to analyse the Latin text by selectively quoting, translating it, and then explaining its effect. You don't need to muddy the waters with an introduction. On the other hand, a short conclusion is helpful, but remember you're under time pressure, so make it as concise as possible. The board doesn't actually specify a set number of points you need to make. However, the most common mistake made by students is that they think they get 2 marks per point, and so they do 4 or 5 points. This actually won't get you full marks. Instead, we recommend that you make 7 points in total. Now, let's look at how you should approach this. As you can see in the mark scheme, you could have said that the choice of word lente, meaning slowly, makes the arrival of Agrippina's ship more dramatic, or the use of the historic present in approprinquat, meaning approaches, makes the arrival more vivid. When thinking about what points to make, we would recommend that you run through our 4-point checklist. Number 1, choice of word. 2, position of word. 3, sound of the word. And 4, any other rhetorical features. Before going into the exam, it's imperative that you pre-learn style points from the key passages in the text. But don't worry, we'll make a separate video about how to revise set text soon. As we can see in the level descriptor table provided for the question, to get into the very top level, you need to show very good engagement with the question and express a range of relevant points. This is why it's important, as always, to read the question carefully. As we can see in the examiner's report, it's imperative that you selectively quote and then translate the quote, as well as making sure to provide a wide range of style points. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you're struggling with and what you want us to help you with next.